Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaner motivation video. If this is your first time here, my name is Ebony and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we'll be doing a deep clean with me. I'm going to be cleaning my stairs. I'm going to be tackling these baseboards and I'm going to be moving my couches around, and I'm going to actually be changing out my rug again. And it's going to be the same rug that you guys have seen before, but I'm just switching my rugs out. But yeah, so I'm just going to be doing so much deep cleaning in this video, and let's get into it. So as you guys can see, I'm going to be starting on the stairs, and I'm just going to be wiping down all these stairs. I'm wiping down the walls as well, and what I'm using is Branch Basics and a microfiber towel. So yeah, this is what I am doing here. These stairs were in dire need of some, wiping down, and yeah, I'm so happy that I got it done, because I don't know when was the last time I actually wiped down the stairs and actually gave it a good wipe down, wiping the stairs like boards and all on the banister and stuff like that. So yeah, it was in dire need of this.
Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head.
So now I'm just going to be pushing the couches back, and I'm going to be changing out my rug, and I'm just going to be removing my black rug. I know a lot of you guys love my black rug, and I love it too, but since spring and summer is literally around the corner, okay, I have to bring out my gray rug again. And I like using this rug for my fall and winter months. So of course January is a winter month as well, but I'm prepping and getting my mind ready for spring, because it's gonna be here before we know it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be switching out this rug, and I actually want to get a white rug. If you guys are a returning subscriber of mine, you guys know I have a white and gray rug in my dining room. I was low-key thinking about getting the same rug in here in my living room, but let me know what you guys think down below. So if this is your first time ever clicking on my video, welcome. I'm so glad that you clicked on my video. My name is Ebony. I am a mother to 2 beautiful boys, and I'm married. My husband's in the military. Here I upload tons of cleaner motivation videos, home decor inspiration videos, and organization videos as well. So if that's the type of content that you like, I would love to have you all join my YouTube family. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to your girls' videos. It does not go unnoticed. I absolutely love you guys. You are my real ones, and I appreciate you so much for always liking, commenting, and sharing my videos as well. So thank you all so much.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body, last night got me wasted, yeah.
So what do you guys are up to while you're watching my video? I mean, are you cleaning along with me? Are you just chilling and relaxing, you know, working on something, you know, whatever it is, let your girl know down below so we can chat about it.
Nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.
So let me know down below, how often do you guys deep clean your home? I mean, as you all know, if you are a return subscriber of mine, you guys know I have 3 levels to my home. So I am not deep cleaning all 3 levels on camera. Your girl would be laid out, okay, on the freaking pavement if I did all 3 levels of my home just deep cleaning. Like, nah, that's not happening. I normally like to deep clean my home probably like 3 times out the year, you know, like really deep clean, get into those baseboards and everything like that, and getting behind the couches and whatnot, moving furniture, like even upstairs. I need to get up under my bed, like for real. But yeah, I am doing this, you know, main level pretty much, you know, deep cleaning and stuff like that. And I'm telling you, I was like exhausted just doing this 1 level, you know, of all my baseboards and everything like that. But yeah, but let me know down below, how often do you guys deep clean your homes?
I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Never been in love, yeah. I'm still waiting for the one. Looking for someone who cares about my needs. Ain't nobody.
So I did want to tell you guys that I will be dialing it back to, you know, 1 day a week posting on this channel. And then I'm also going to be posting on my vlog channel consistently as well. So I'll still be posting 2 times a week, but it's just only going to be 1 time a week over here on this channel and 1 time a week on my vlogging channel. So if you have not already and you want to know like a little bit more about your girl and like, you know, just a little bit more about me, go ahead and subscribe to my other channel, which is Life with LeMae. I will leave it in my description box down below. But yeah, that's just so much that I have going on. Also have a business and with like a homeschooling and stuff like that. It's just so much on my plate that I can't really dedicate so much, you know, like 3 times a week, like uploading like 2 times a week over here and then 1 time a week over here on my blogging channel. So just gonna be dialing it back a little bit here. So I hope you all just, you know, understand and just keep, you know, supporting your girl and watching my videos. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that. So I'll just be posting once a week here, pretty much probably just on Mondays for right now. So I think Monday is just going to be my designated once a week upload date over here.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect.
So it may not look like it on camera, but these baseboards and these walls were pretty nasty, okay? They were pretty nasty, but that's like the pros of the, you know, this wall paint, like this gray, you know, paint. It doesn't, you know, look like stuff is like really on it. So that's the pros of it, but trust me, it was dirty. So I had to give it a good wipe down.
I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this.
I'm going to be cleaning this carpet, and I'm using the ODABAN 3-in-1 carpet cleaner, and I absolutely love this carpet cleaner. Okay, it gets stuff up, and you guys already know. If you don't know, your girl is the ODABAN queen. Freaking love ODABAN. Okay, this is the best carpet cleaner, and I've tried a lot of carpet cleaners, but I'm just gonna stick with my ODABAN because I just know it works, you know. But yeah, this carpet was pretty dirty, and you guys are gonna see it.
You reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive.
So you guys can see it was pretty dirty, and I think it was dirty because it was sitting in the garage, and I didn't, you know, clean it before I put it in the garage. So yeah, it definitely need to be deep cleaned.
Two different minds. We're not the ones to hide. Two different minds. You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see.
So now we're just moving on over to this hallway over here. This is where, you know, the garage is, and you know, my bathroom, my half bathroom is over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna be tackling these baseboards over here and this wall, and then pretty much wrapping up the end of this video. We are almost there, guys. If you are still here with me, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps my channel out a lot, and yeah, I really appreciate it.
To survive, we're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. That's how we stay alive.
Now moving on to getting behind this console pretty much. I don't know if I've ever moved this to actually clean behind here. So yeah, I was scared to actually move it, but yeah, it wasn't that bad back there.
Like everyone else, you got issues. Some you know and some you don't. Don't blame me for being suspicious, but I see you need something else than what you want. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now. I'd
So I really do hope that this video is giving you guys tons of a deep cleaning motivation to tackle whatever you need to tackle around your home, because I know everybody needs a little bit of deep cleaning motivation to get to those baseboards, because that's definitely one of the least favorite things I have to do when it comes to deep cleaning.
I'm not missing you. All you know is superficial. Some of it stays, some of it goes. Like a trend, you are a symbol of something no one ever will understand. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not full of myself, just like you. I'd rather break my own thread, like a needle I stitch you up, just for you to tear it up again. I'm through. I'm not missing you.
Alright you guys, this is the end of this video, and I really do appreciate if you stayed around to the end of this video. Watching my video the whole time through really does help my channel out a lot. And also, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Blessings. Bye.